vertical bird dog, vertical bird dog. Just the bird dog. Right hand, right foot, right hand, band, band on the right foot. Left leg, left hand, vertical, up, down, up, down. Okay, sideways look. Nothing else moves. Right foot, right hand, left hip, vertical, up, down. If you want to get into, or if you see a Romanian deadlift, an RDL, then you're gonna get kind of down into it, send the left leg long. You're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down. So a crouch to a bird dog, a crouch to a bird dog, crouch to a bird dog. So left hand, left foot, crouch to a bird dog, crouch to a bird dog, crouch to a bird dog. The full just bird dog. Left arm, right leg. Straight, nothing moves. Vertical bird dog. Crouch, extend. Crouching bird dog. Crouch to extend.